Deleting a Google site is permanent. Once deleted, it cannot be recovered, though you have a short grace period via trash. Only the site owner can delete it. Steps to delete a Google site. New sites. Go to sites.google.com and sign in with the Google account that owns the site. In the site's dashboard, locate the site you want to delete. Click the three-dot menu next to the site's thumbnail or title. Select Remove or Move to Trash in some interfaces. A confirmation pop-up appears. Read the warning carefully. This action cannot be undone. Type the site name or check the box to confirm. Click Delete or Move to Trash. After deletion, the site moves to trash, accessible from the left sidebar, Trash. You have 30 days to restore it. Go to Trash. Select Site. Click Restore. After 30 days, or if you permanently delete from trash, the site and all content, pages, images, embeds, are gone forever.